Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again. Today is Saturday. We've been out for a big dog walk and now Mary is asleep. So I thought it would be a good time to do a Monica Vinader unboxing. I'm super excited. I feel like I need this. Do you know what I mean? You know when you need that lift, you need a treat, you need a little summon, and this is it for me. Full transparency, this is my birthday weekend, and no joke, all my plans fell through, hence why I'm filming. Yeah, I had plans, they fell through, and yeah, so now I'm kind of like, you know, planless on my 40th birthday weekend. I do have, however, more cake than I could ever eat because I bought extra cake and made cake for a lot of people, and I have a big old ham. I cooked a ham, even though it's not Christmas, I thought let's do a ham. Everybody loves a ham all year round. So now I've got like a huge ham, a huge amount of cake, no friends or family. Anyway, what are you gonna do? I have Monica Vinader, I'm gonna unbox it. It's bringing me joy, it's giving me life. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, also before I get started, right now there is a sale on at Monica Vinader. This necklace is on sale, just so you know, and there is up to 60% off, which I think is incredible. And not only that, as always, I have a 20% discount code, so do look in the description below where you'll find my code, you'll find the link, and yeah, feel free to use it whenever you want, not just now, but like, you know, in a month, 2 months, 3 months, at Christmas, whenever you want. It's really good if like you're going to a wedding and you want to buy something for your bride, or you are getting married and you want to buy something for your bridesmaids, or you just want to buy something for yourself, or for your bestie, for your mum, whoever. It's great. Anyway, use my code, 20% off, it's all below. And now we are going to do the unboxing, and I am so excited. No joke, I need this bit of joy in my life, you know. It all went tits up. Okay, let's open up. So here is the box. This is how it comes packaged beautifully, as always. It feels like a true gift to myself. And here is some information about their sustainability, which I think is really important to highlight. So first of all their jewellery is made from recycled gold and silver. It uses only conflict-free diamonds. There's a 5-year warranty and lifetime repairs on all their jewellery as well, which is incredible. And it's a carbon neutral brand with recyclable packaging. So I love that because I feel like the environment is important. There's a lot of dirty dealings going on in the jewellery world, especially with diamonds. They're out of that stuff, you know, they're not involved. They don't need to be. So yeah, you can buy it guilt-free. And also it lasts really well. Like I've been buying Monica Vinader for like, I think 10 to 12 years now, and everything's lasted really well. I've never actually had to use their warranty or their repair service, just so you know. Anyway, let's unbox. So ta-ta-ta, here it is. And I'm just gonna peel that sticker. Feels so good. So just so you know, everything that you buy on the Monica Vinader website does actually come in a little bag. So if you're giving it as a gift, it's really nice because you can use the bag as like a way to present the gift. And then let's open it up and have a look inside. I've never actually seen this necklace in the flesh, so I'm hoping it's every bit as special as it is on the website. So this is the box it comes in. And then it just opens up with a little drawer, which I'm sure you know. And then inside is a little pouch, which the jewellery comes in. So this is really handy for just keeping your jewellery nice. And it's also really nice because it just means that it doesn't get scratched upon itself. It's great for travelling. It's just a handy little way to keep all your jewellery. And yeah, here it is. I'm nervous. So are we in focus? I think we are. There it is. Now this is quite different to what I normally buy from Monica Vinader. I normally go just gold. So this is actually one of my first pieces that includes colour, but there's just something about it which I absolutely love. I thought it would be perfect for summer. Let me try and get it. There we go. So yeah, I thought it'd be just really pretty for summer. I love the colour, and I also love the fact that it's kind of the beads, which feel really organic, but then they've made beads out of like gold as well, which I just think is really beautiful. And then here is the clasp, which I just think is really lovely and organic too. And you can obviously wear it so that it's just the kind of the sea green beads, or you can wear it so that like this is the front, so that you get a bit of the gold and a bit of the green. And as well as that, you can pop on a little pendant as well, which actually I might do at the end just to kind of demonstrate how it looks with a little pendant. But I just thought it was really special, really unique, and just really different to everything else I own from Monica Vinader. And I feel like I needed it, you know, I needed some colour for the summer. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop it on and let's see if it fits, for one thing, because I have a chunky old neck and sometimes necklaces don't fit me. Generally they do though from Monica Vinader, because I have to say their necklaces are very plus size friendly, just so you know. Anyway, let's pop it on. Okay, so it is on. This is how it looks, so that you're wearing pretty much just with the green beads facing. I think it's really pretty. I think the green is a gorgeous colour, and look, you can see that little flash of gold, which I think is really pretty. I think that's what kind of makes it just like, oh, that's luxy. But then I'm just going to turn it around and then you can see it the other way around, which is probably how I personally will be wearing it. So BRB, I'm just going to turn it around. Okay, so here it is. Now, some people might call this back to front. I do not. The clasp is actually here in this little bit here. And yeah, I love it this way around because you get the gold, you get the green. It's just a bit more interesting. It's a bit more textured. Oh, I love it. You know, when you're like, oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so happy with it. You know, when you're like, this is a very special necklace. But yeah, here it is the way around that I will be wearing it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the kind of the pebbly feel of it. I love the way you've got kind of like the mix of the kind of the precious stones, semi-precious stones, and then you've kind of course got the gold for May, and you've got these which are made into beads, and it's just really pretty. It feels really organic and really lovely, and yeah, I love it. It's the perfect length and it's a gorgeous colour, and I feel special. So yeah, that is it on, and I might actually just run into my wardrobe and get a little pendant to kind of sit on it and see how it looks with a little bit of extra detail. So yeah, back in a second. Okay, so I've just grabbed another Monica Vinader necklace. This is one that I wear quite a lot. This is a chain with actually 3 different pendants on, and I thought I would get this one because I thought I would maybe put one of the pendants on and then actually layer it up with the chain with the other pendants. So we'll see how it looks. I'm not sure which one I'll put on. The pearl is quite tempting because it kind of mimics the green kind of organic shape, but I think actually I might go for one of these more coiny pendants, just because I don't know, I just think, I don't know, the coins are singing to me. So I might go for this little star because it's really cute, but I don't think it will detract away from the beauty of the necklace as is. So I'm just gonna pop it on and then yeah, let you see. Okay, so I've just slipped on the additional pendant. It was super easy to get on. I went for the little star pendant because I just thought it was quite subtle, and I think there's enough going on with the necklace that you don't really need to kind of like add too much to it. I love the little star. I think it's really adorable. It just kind of like adds to the kind of the beachy, boho kind of summery vibes. It's very casual, very carefree, very cutesy. I just really like it. I don't know if you can see, but it's really, the colours are just gorgeous. The green is so pretty. The gold is just the gorgeous shade of gold, and it's just super reflective and lovely. And then I also added in the other Monica Vinader necklace. I've kept it like quite hidden because I want it to be all about this one. This is really the showstopper. But yeah, this is what it looks like layered up with the other necklace. And yeah, I just love it. I'm so happy with it. I think it's gorgeous. It's so pretty for summer. I think I might actually wear it to my sister's wedding, which is in a couple of months. I think it will just like add a little bit of like luxe and loveliness to my whatever dress I'm wearing. I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. But yeah, I love it. I think it's beautiful. I love the fact that you can wear it with an extra pendant. I love the fact that you can wear it without. You could also layer it up with like extra chains if you want. And of course you can turn it around so you've got mainly just the green beads showing. The green beads, I think I'm calling them green beads. I think they're actually like a stone. I can't remember which one, like onyx or something. I can't remember, but I think it's so beautiful. I love it so much. And yeah, it's so good. It's my birthday gift to myself. So yeah, there it is. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, there is a sale on right now. If you want to buy anything, you can buy my necklace. It was actually quite a good price. I was quite surprised because it's quite a statement necklace, but it's actually a good price. Yeah, and also if you want 20% off, use my link, you use my discount code, and enjoy. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Yee!